Using vitamin C in your skincare routine can be confusing with multiple scientific names and forms of vitamin C to choose from. With influencers and great marketing, it is very easy to make mistakes when it comes to choosing and using vitamin C in your skincare routine, but it's not your fault. In this video, you will learn the most common mistakes, so at the end of the video, you will walk away well educated around what not to do and how to use vitamin C correctly in your skincare routine. Mistake number 1. You are applying vitamin C at nighttime. Vitamin C is known as a powerhouse antioxidant, able to fight free radicals, stimulate collagen production, and prevent hyperpigmentation by inhibiting the tyrosinase enzyme. To get the full benefits of the ingredient, vitamin C must be applied in the morning, followed by sunscreen, and not at nighttime as some brands state. Mistake number 2. You are using a vitamin C serum in the wrong packaging. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and oxidizes very easily, so you need to avoid clear bottles like these ones that are see-through. Ideally, a vitamin C serum is in a dark bottle or has an airless pump with a hole at the bottom to allow air to come out as no oxygen can get into the product. You also want to avoid exposing it to excessive heat and light, so keep it in a dark, cool place in the bathroom. If your vitamin C serum or cream is orange in color, it has oxidized, or if a company states that this is the color of their formula, then you want to avoid this brand because you cannot tell if the ingredient has oxidized or not. If your vitamin C has oxidized, it is ineffective. The most effective form of vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid, however, it is also the most unstable and oxidizes very easily. If you are using L-ascorbic acid, you can purchase pure ascorbic acid crystals dry and add them to a liquid serum like hyaluronic acid at the time of your application. This prevents your ascorbic acid from oxidizing. There is also oil-based L-ascorbic acid, which is highly stable due to the encapsulation and protection from air and water as another option for you. L-ascorbic acid can be irritating to the skin, so start off slow by incorporating 2 to 3 times per week, or you can opt for a vitamin C derivative. Vitamin C derivatives are less irritating but just as effective, such as tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, ascorbyl glucoside, and more. Tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate is very stable, hard to oxidize, and fat-soluble, so it is able to work deep into the dermis and stimulate our fibroblasts to create more collagen. It is a popular vitamin C derivative found in a lot of serums on the market. Mistake number 3. You are layering too many active ingredients at once. If you love skincare actives just as much as we do, you may be using too many at once. Keep it simple and only apply one other active with vitamin C, ideally an antioxidant that can support vitamin C. If you are layering too many serums at once, the 3rd or 4th layer doesn't generally penetrate thoroughly. Alternatively, you can find a serum or a cream with correct percentages pH of vitamin C and antioxidant ingredients and use that instead. Vitamin C in a combination with other antioxidants at correct percentages like green tea extract, vitamin E, ferulic acid, coenzyme Q10, alpha-arbutin are great options. Mistake number 4. You have active acne and you are using vitamin C. Vitamin C should be avoided when you have active breakouts or acne, as it's often too stimulating. The only time you should use vitamin C when you have acne is post-acne, so when you are trying to fade the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that can occur after pimples. Next, we have mistake number 5. You are using vitamin C with the wrong ingredients. Whilst vitamin C works well with other antioxidant ingredients, there are some active ingredients you need to stay away from when using vitamin C in your skincare routine. This means not applying vitamin C at the same time as these ingredients. Exfoliating acids or enzymes, non-encapsulated retinol, niacinamide. This is because they have a different pH and counteract each other. Benzoyl peroxide, as it will oxidize your vitamin C. Have you made any of these vitamin C mistakes? Let us know in the comments. If you want to learn about how vitamin C works within the skin and the full benefits of the ingredient, then check out this video here.